All right, I thought I'd record this video instead of writing and posting. Some things I'm noticing, and this doesn't apply to everybody, and I'd hate to do blanket kind of things. Not everybody's doing this, but I'm getting the sense that some of you are not taking advantage of all the tools that I've got available for you. One thing I'm noticing is some of you I don't think are aware of Dr. Stevens' videos. If you click on that link that I have in the course resources, he's recorded all these videos of these, and these are walkthroughs, and they're really pretty good. I mean, granted, he's a little dry sometimes, and his sense of humor sometimes a little snarky, but he does a nice job with it, and it's one of the strengths of this book. And what he does is I won't open it, but what he did, like in the introduction. So this is what. So I'm recording this the start of chapter at the end of week 3 is about ready to start on Monday. But in the textbook, he walks you through each of these things. He verbally, so if reading the textbook is not your thing, he'll walk you through it, and he'll talk you through and work these examples. He won't walk you through your turn examples, but he'll walk you through the rest. Now, if you want to try your turn and then check your work, if you come back to Moodle here, where am I? Come back to Moodle. If you go to modules, and then that course resources, here's Think You Do Your Turn solutions. I've got all the worked out solutions. He gave them to me in the teacher's edition. So I pulled them all out and put them in a PDF for you, so I have them there so you can check them out. So you shouldn't be posting the answers for that because you've got the worked out answers. You get questions, by all means. If you don't understand something, I encourage you to ask those kind of questions and show us some work that you're doing. So showing us where you're going astray. What you can do, and then where you're stuck. Okay, that's a great discussion forum post. And you can email me those questions, but if you post them in the discussion forums, more people see it, and it benefits everybody. So there's that. And then what else makes it good? So that's one thing you can take advantage of is his videos. And then the same thing with the summary worksheets. They've got these questions, and some of you have posted those. And it's about interacting the math. What I'd love to have you notice, though, is in the course resources, here's the detailed solutions, the summary worksheets. So asking questions is great, but posting your work, it's kind of, you've already got the answers. So why post your work? Know what I mean? You don't want to go to the board so people can see what you've got, what they already have, And then what does make a great post? Well, if you come down to the problem set in the book, and I encourage you to do these first. At least do these asterisk ones, because what I've done in WebAssign is I've pulled similar questions. I'm not going to say I haven't pulled some of the other ones too, but these are worked out, and if you work through these on paper, when you go to do the online exercises, they'll go so much faster because you've got this work. It'll save you time in getting your work done. Okay, instead of having to try it multiple times, you can probably get them done at once, or almost twice if you see. Because here's a weighted mean. I mean, some of you've already posted about that with the with chapter 2, because we did weighted means. So here's another what's it? I guess you're estimating, but all it is a weighted mean. You find the midpoints. You'll see about it when you get there. I won't. So anything with a asterisk here, those have the worked out answers in the book, and either in the back of the book. If you see, I got a PDF. This is the same PDF you would buy for $10 if you went that route. Okay, but see, if you click on it, see how the worked out. And if I were to zip down to chapter 3, see, here's all the chapter 2 work. They walk you right through it. So posting your work for number 1 really didn't help me or help anybody else because there, it's all right there. I mean, posting your work for number 2 now, that is a good post, because we don't have the worked out answers for number 2. But do the odd numbered exercises, because here's all the worked out answers. Like I said, it'll speed up your online work. Okay, and then what makes a great discussion forum post? Well, I've already said this. If you come back up to the problem set, let's see, is this chapter 3? This number 2 would be a great post. As I know right now, somebody's already posted that one. So don't repeat either. Go take a look and see what other people have done. I mean, here's question number 3. There's probably not a lot of math here just discussion, or at least not calculations. Is this? Yes, referring to chat number 2. So I guess somebody could post 2 and 3, or so if you're in that discussion, if you're in the section where somebody's already posted 2, posting number 3 about that work would be great. See, because you don't have the answers, I can say, yeah, great job, or you know, you're making a mistake here. Let's do it this way. That kind of thing. That way you can get them feedback. Not just me can give you the feedback, but other people can, and that would help them earn attendance points. Helping somebody out with a question, maybe showing another way to do a problem would work sometimes, depending on what happens. You know, I'll give you the points for it, but for that. But one thing, so what I want to point out is right now is, if you, starting with week 3, if you post your work to one of these asterisk exercises, I'm gonna write to you, and I'm gonna say, make an even number post. Okay, I'm not gonna give you attendance credit for posting work to these starred exercises. You can still continue to post your work to WebAssign exercises. Please post questions to WebAssign exercises. But to save you some time, if you got a question on how to do a WebAssign exercise, you should go look in the book here at one of these asterisk questions, if it matches. Many of them do, as I said. So, and that'll save you can get your work done faster, and you don't have to wait for a response. Okay, so I'm just trying to improve your course. The other thing to do is read what people are posting. I'm not saying make comments and everything. I know in some of the humanities courses, you're responsible to reply to 2 people's posts each week or something like that. You don't have to do that here, but check out what people are writing, and then you can you know, just saying, yeah, great job, that's a little lame. You know, I might say that, but that's because I'm trying to provide feedback. You know, we're trying to maximize your learning here, and let's make those discussion forum posts count. And you don't want to neglect them either, because those are 5 points, you know, 10 points each week. That could be the difference between an A or B, or C or B, or even a D and a C. A lot of people have that break off. They need to get the C. A C minus won't do it. So, you know, if you miss discussion forum posts, there's nothing I can do, guys. So make sure you make those posts. They're really important. I find them important. That's why I know you're engaging with the material. Okay, I guess this is a long enough video, and you've listened to me enough. Let's see, was there anything else I wanted to tell you about? Did I show you? Well, you probably saw it. In here, I've got the worked out answers. So if you're just running off the WebAssign ebook, here's the worked out answers right here. Okay, and this is in the course resources part of Moodle, or I mean of Canvas. All right, I think that's it. I'll be quiet. Post this video. Let me know how I can help.